Alright, hey YouTube, here we are. We've got a 2011 GMC Terrain. It has the 2.4 liter motor, and what we're doing today is an oil change. Alright, so what you're going to need is your oil filter, a 15 millimeter socket, a 32 millimeter socket, 5 quarts of full synthetic Dexos motor oil. Alright. We're going to start off first is going down below and draining out the old oil. And for that, you'll need the 15 millimeter. And if you want to make it easier on yourself, you also need a floor jack. You're going to brace it right here on the front support. And right here is the engine oil pan. You'll need something to catch the oil inside of. And also, I would suggest a glove if you don't want oil all over your hands. So we're going to come down here. And all you do is you'll get onto it. And you'll break it loose. So 1 second. Alright, so all that drains out. We're going to come back up here. And get to the oil filter. Alright, so right here, the oil filter is right down there. So what you're going to need is your 32 millimeter socket. And what I suggest is one of these little hinges. Slides right inside of it. And that comes down. Get that on there. Have an extension bar that goes onto your ratcheting socket. This way you can stick it inside of there. Be able to loosen up a little bit easier. I've got mine loosened up. So I've got mine loosened up so I can do it by hand. Right there it is. So I'm going to take it off and get the new one. Alright, so with this, all you're going to do is take it and pop it out. And we'll stick it in the old box. We got a new one. Have a little gasket ring. Take it out of the package. that just pops over. Get it all the way down. Take the new filter. So I get it. Pop into place, just like that. Bring it back over here. Finagle it in there. Alright, right back in the hole. And start tightening it down. Alright, once that's hand tightened on there, you're going to put your 32mm socket back on it with the hinge. Take your extension, your ratchet, hook back onto it, and tighten it the rest of the way down. Alright, now that's mostly drained out. I'm going to take the drain plug, put it back in there, and get it tightened up. Alright, so we got it hand tightened and we got it stopped. Now we'll move that over. Take our socket. Get finished tightened up. It's all nice and tight. Come back up here. Alright, I went ahead and pulled the bucket out and took it off the jack. And right up here is the oil fill cap. I'm going to take it off. Alright, once we've got that off, take a funnel, stick it down inside the hole. Then get the oil ready. Alright, once we get the oil ready, I'm just going to start pouring it in. When using a funnel, you want to be careful not to fill it too quickly. Kind of ease into it and watch it go. Alright, we got that part done. Take the funnels, kind of tap it, get the excess out. And take the oil cap, put it back on. And after that, you're going to come around to the inside. And take the key, just put it inside the ignition. Turn the key without turning it on completely. You have your menu right there. You come over here, hit this button here, the menu. Right there it says your remaining oil life. Come over here, set clear. So I'm going to ask you if you're sure. You'll hit the up arrow. Turn it to yes. You'll hit set one more time. There you go. And that's how you do the oil change on a 2011 GMC Terrain. Alright, thank you. You have a good day.